Do you ever feel like this? Someone speaks English. You understand everything. You know what they mean. But when it's your turn to speak, nothing comes out. Your mouth stops. Your brain freezes. You just smile and stay quiet. If this sounds like you are not alone. This is one of the biggest problems English learners face. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why this happens and how to fix it. Understanding the problem. There are two sides of language: receiving and producing. Receiving means listening and reading. Producing means speaking and writing. You see, your brain can be very good at receiving, but very weak at producing. For example, you watch an English movie. You understand 80%. Someone asks you, "What did you do today?" And you say, today I went. Why does this happen? Because understanding English and speaking English are two completely different skills. The real reason you can't speak out loud. Think about your English learning journey. You watch YouTube videos, listen to podcasts, read articles. That's all receiving. But how often do you actually speak out loud? Form sentences with your mouth? Probably very little. So your brain knows the words, but your mouth is not trained. It's like knowing how to swim in your head, but never jumping into the water. The solution? Train your mouth, not just your mind. You don't need more grammar lessons. You don't need more vocabulary lists. You need to speak. Every day, starting today. Let's fix that, step by step. Step 1. Talk to yourself. You don't need a partner to start speaking. Just use yourself. Every morning, look in the mirror and say, "Today is Monday. I am feeling good. My plan for today is..." Simple sentences, out loud, every day. This trains your mouth to move in English. Step 2. Slow down, don't stop. Most learners make this mistake. They try to speak fast. They make a mistake, and they stop completely. Don't stop. Speak slowly. That's okay. Make mistakes. That's okay. A slow sentence is better than no sentence. Step 3. Use ready-made sentences. You don't need to create new sentences every time. Keep some simple sentences ready in your mind. For example, "Can you say that again?" "I think what I mean is, give me a moment." These sentences buy you time. They keep you speaking. They make you sound more natural. Step 4. Shadowing practice. This is a very powerful method. Here's how. Find a short English video, 1 to 2 minutes. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Repeat that sentence out loud. Same speed, same tone. Do this every day for 10 minutes. Your mouth learns the rhythm of English. Your confidence grows. Your speaking becomes smoother. Step 5. Think in English, even for 5 minutes. Most learners think in their own language first, then translate to English. That takes too long. Start thinking directly in English. Even simple thoughts. I am hungry. The weather is nice today. I need to call my friend. Small thoughts, simple sentences, but in English, direct. Step 6. Practice with AI. You can use AI to practice speaking anytime. Type your sentences and ask, "Is this sentence correct?" Or practice like this. Ask me questions. I will answer in English. No judgment, no embarrassment. Just practice. This builds your confidence before speaking with real people. Final message. Let me tell you something important. You don't have a speaking problem. You have a practice problem. Your brain understands English. That means you are already halfway there. Now you just need to open your mouth. Make mistakes. Sound strange. Keep going. Every expert speaker was once silent just like you. The only difference? They started speaking anyway. Your homework. I want you to do one thing right now. Write in the comments one sentence about your day in English. Just one sentence. It can be simple, it can be short. Just start. See you